Now we will use STL.
No, we don't use, okay, we will not use the STL. Later we will, whenever it's need, then we will use.
Okay.
Okay, so let's move on, and then we will see that everything is good now. Come on.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, Ram.
so here what is that? We will take the form, right? We will take the form now. Okay, so what we will do now, guys? So here first we will see that what is that inputs, right? So what is that? Yes. Okay, so let's take pre tag only. PRE. Okay, pre tag will everyone know that use of pre tag. Come on.
Yes, the preview tag.
Review tag, Ravi.
Student ID, right? Student ID is nothing but what here what we will take input, guys. Okay, input what we will take na input type, right? Input type equal to what? Text. Okay, input type equal to another one is what? Name we will take, right? Name we will take. Okay, good. So three inputs are there, right? Three inputs are there. Now copy this one. Here what we will do now? 1 2. Okay, so here student ID is there. Here what? Student name.
Student name.
Student name.
Student name, and here what is it?
Student fee.
Okay, these are the inputs are there, right? These are the inputs are there. Okay, good. So what will happen now? Here text only. Okay, good. So another one is what? Input. Another one is what? Input. Now here we will take the type equal to what? Submit. Submit, right?
Ravi, type.
Oh, sorry. Type equal to what? Submit, right? Submit. Okay. Now value equal to what? Value.
Register.
Just take save only. Okay, save the data. Okay, this is the our form, right? This is our form now, guys. Okay, so here, so we know that whenever we are sending the data, what we will by default is get, but we will send the data as a post type, right? Come on.
Yes, Ravi, post.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, guys, so
For
for
setting
that,
the data, you will be used post.
yeah, to sending the data to server, we will use the post, because to send the data as a secure format, right? Okay, good.
Yes.
So now, guys, good. So next what we will do now? What we will do now? So here we will specify for the post methodology. First time whenever we will make the request, whenever we are making the request, we are getting this form data, form page, right? Form page. For that we wrote one method inside that controller, right? Inside that one controller we wrote one form, right? Come on.
Okay, Ravi.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, definitely.
But whenever we will click on this button, 1 minute, guys, one more time I will run the application and I will show it. Okay, one more time I will run the application. Now I will show the. Okay, now I'm running the application. Now what I'm doing now, I'm refreshing the page. So we are getting this form, right? Come on, guys.
Yes.
So whenever we will put the data, right, this like 111, and here the data, and here what I'm putting the field. Whenever we will click that, whenever we will click the submit button, then what will happen now? This object, our IOC container, will create or not, guys? Come on, the form data, because this form data we are sending, right? We are sending from the what? Browser. From the browser, this form data we are sending now. So internal, what will happen now? Internal, what will happen now? Our IOC container will create this object or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Ravi,
created.
yes.
Yeah.
What about other?
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So
IC container will create the object.
yeah, yes, our IOC container will create
C container create the object.
Okay, so good. So what will happen now? So whenever we will fill this data, then what is that? Internally these things will happen now, guys. Okay, these things will happen. Okay, so good. So good. After then what will happen now? After then what will happen now? See this. Okay, so for that, to reading the data, what is that? We will write one more method, right? We will write in the controller one more method. What is that? Okay, so I'm writing what is that? One method, public string string, what is that?
Post method.
Save data, right? This is the method. Now inside that, what we are going to do now, so what I'm going to do, post type, right? Which kind of methodology we will take now?
Sir, it post mapping.
Good.
Post type.
Post mapping.
Yeah, we will take the
Post
post method. Yes. Inside that, what we will take the save, right? So whatever URI we will take, right? This URI we will take inside that, what here what is that? In the action only, right? Then in action, what we will
Action
take?
field.
Yeah,
Slash.
we will take this URI, right? Because we are sending the form data, right? Using what? Post methodology, right? Good. Come on.
Yes,
Yes,
Post
sir.
methodology.
Okay, so good. Okay, so good now, guys. So after then come here. So after then I said that to read the data, data, this data, if we want to read in our what controller, 1 minute, guys, come on, Jet. This data, right? This data, if I want to read this data in our controller, what concept we will use? These things, right? First one or second one, both we can,
Model attribute.
right? Model
What is
attribute.
the model attribute?
Okay, good.
Yeah, we need model attribute.
To reading,
Yes, sir.
to reading,
Moderate.
to reading the data from the IOC container in our controller, what annotation we will use now, guys? Model attribute. Nah, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, right.
Model attribute.
Definitely. Yeah.
Okay, so where we will take the model attribute? In this method, post method, inside that, what we will take? Model attribute, right? Model attribute. After then, what we will take now? What is our class name?
Class name.
Okay, so good, very nice. Okay, so what is student? We will take, what is that? Student. What is?
And one local variable.
Yeah, STD, right? STD. Okay, so now it's good now, guys. Okay, now return that. What is that? Return what? Okay, so,
STD.
okay, come inside that our, what is that view area, right? Let's create one student data page also, another page also. We will take that the result we will read in the another page only, right? So what is that? STUDENT student data.gsp, the student data.gsp. Now this is the GSP page, right? So we will send the data, right? Whatever data we will get, those data we will send in the another GSP now, guys. Okay, so now come here, and what we will do now, in this method we will return what? This GSP page. Okay, not a farm page. Okay, so we will get.
Data.
Okay, guys, so now here what we are doing now, here based on this model attribute, what we are doing now, we are reading the data, right? We are reading the data from the IOC container. But just in the last previous session, what we are learning now, guys, if we are sending the, if we want to send the data from the controller to what?
Sending the data from controller to view. To view.
So what? Okay, yeah, model. We will take the model, then we can able to send it. Nah, come on, guys. Just why before I explain? Because I know that, guys, when I have need to introduce what. Okay, good. So okay, guys, so good. So now what we will do now? Model dot what we will do now, guys?
Model dot add attribute.
Yeah, add
attribute.
Okay, so add attribute here, what I'm taking now? STD, right? Just I'm taking STD, and here what I will take now, guys? Come on.
STD.
This data, right? This reference, right? This reference we will take.
Student data. Yeah, student. STD.
STD.
Okay, so now, okay, if you want, you can take this one, STD1 also, right? Just differentiate. So now this data will
Yeah,
come to
difference.
this GSP, right? This GSP now. Okay, so this GSP now. Okay, this data will this GSP. So here, what is that? Let's take the
Student data. Dollar.
Student data. Good. So what is that now? What is that now, guys?
Dollar symbol of STD1.
Yeah, yes, TD1. Now good, very nice, Raj. Okay, so this is the data now. Okay, so we can able to read it now whenever we will send it. Okay, good. So okay, good. So here everything is completed, guys. So another one is what? Next one is what? Come to, but what is that? how our IOC container will understand in which attribute name also we have need to give, right? Then if we not take, then data will go as a null. So what we will take now, name must in the form, name must be student class is there, right? Based on that, this one must be map with what, this names, otherwise the data will not go right now. So what is that student? Another one is what, as name, right? Copy this one, copy
Its
this,
name.
yeah. And here what is that, as name,
Name SP.
and here
SP.
yeah, yes. Now here paste it. Okay. Okay, so now let's run the application and we will see that how our farm data we are able to send it now. Guys, are you ready now?
Yes, Ravi. Ready.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Good.
Okay, now
Yes,
right click,
ready.
run and a Spring Boot application. Okay, copy this one and come to another tab, right? Now what I'm doing now, I'm pasting that. Now I'm sending. Now I'm going to. We are getting this first. What is that, form data or not, guys? Come on.
Form data.
Form
Yes, Ravi.
form
Okay.
page. Yes.
Means what, first time what we are doing, the whenever we are making the request, our request is coming to whom? In this method, right? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Register
Yeah,
page.
register page.
Okay, and whenever we will click on the save button, now then our container will call this method now, guys. Okay, come on.
Yes. Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
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 Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so now let's put the data. What I'm going to do now here, what I'm 101, right? 101, and here I'm taking what is the Sudhir, right? And here I'm taking what, 5005. Okay, now I'm clicking the save button. See that, guys, another GSP page we are getting the result or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
Ravi. Correct.
We got it.
Correct.
Data
Yes, sir.
inject.
We are getting.
Now you people are satisfied with the content or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
100% satisfied.
500% satisfied.
I'm not compromising subject with the subject, guys. Okay. Think about that.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So okay. So still, if you have the energy, I will continue. Otherwise, I will stop it the session now, guys.
Yes, Ravi.
No,
We
Ravi.
can continue.
Sorry.
If you have energy, we can continue.
No, Sudhir. Okay.
Yes, Ravi. You can
Okay.
continue.
Okay, good. So let's stop the session here only, right?
You are also with the fan. Yeah, you are also
Yeah.
with fan.
I'm there in
Take in next week.
yeah, I'm there in the family now. I'm there in the family, and
Please take in next week.
they are eagerly waiting
Mother
for
and
the.
father won't accept it. Correct.
Yes. Okay.
No, Ravi. It depends on you only.
No.
No. We'll take next week, Ravi. Like,
Okay, I'm
your
going to.
family also wants you
Yes.
to spend time with them.
Guys, already
Yes, sir.
see 2 o'clock onward. See that my energy. I'm not anywhere. My energy is going down now.
Not even a single bit, single drop.
No, Ravi.
So guys, do the hard work. Okay, without hard work, nothing will come. Okay, if this kind of subject, after getting this kind of subject, if you not able to succeed in your life as a proper way, right, then the very worst things will be there. Only one word. Okay, so please utilize this, guys. I'm giving all facility. I'm giving all facility. Think about that. Even I'm uploading this video on YouTube channel also. After giving the session, I'm uploading this video. Think about that. Which kind of services I'm giving to you people.
Yes,
Thank you so
Ravi.
much. Ravi. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it.
You are like
Yeah, thank